What's up and welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through an 8-minute steel mace bicep workout. You know the drill. Go ahead and prop your phone up so you can see the screen so you can follow along, and grab your mace and let's go ahead and get us a pump. All right, so today's workout, we're going to be going 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and we're going to start with the bicep curl. So I want you to go ahead and grab it down here and let's start going. So you're holding it here at the end. I like to hold the mace, the head of the bicep, but you can also do it here as well. So we're gonna go 30 seconds on this one arm. Okay, then we're gonna get a 10-second break and we're gonna switch over and do the other side. Okay, so just feeling it, just nice and smooth. Get you a good little pump. You're gonna have a good burn, a good bicep pump from this 10-pound steel mace when you're done. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. You gotta rest. All right, 10-second rest. Shake it out, shake it out. I'm gonna go to the other side. All right, so here we go. Ready? All right, bicep curl other side. So this is just a regular steel mace head bicep curl. I love doing it here. I'm getting some good forearm grip by holding this, the head of it here is why I like to do it here. But like I said, if you have any wrist issues or any kind of injuries or any, or just, you know, don't have the strength yet, you can sure come right here and start doing these. So I'm just moving here, and we got 3 seconds. All right, rest. So yeah, we're going to next one gonna be is reverse grip. Reverse grip. Let's go ahead. Other arm, reverse grip it. So again, here you can hold the shaft or you can hold the head. This is more challenging here while you're doing it, but you get some good forearm, good finger grip in there, and your grip strength is huge. You want to keep that. As soon as you lose your grip strength, you're old and weak. Not cool. All right, 5 seconds. From a good pump, you can switch it. All right, rest it out, shake it out, shake it out. That was a reverse grip. This hair out my mouth. All right, other side, left arm, here we go. Ready? All right, go. 30 seconds here. So breathing, I want you to start focusing on breathing and how you're breathing. And I want you to be doing this routine, and when I use the mace, when I'm not talking, I am breathing through my nose. I'm intentionally nasal breathing to really get into a flow and just get the good contraction, feel the pump, feel the burn, and just to keep moving. 5 seconds. All right, we're 2 down. We got, let's see how many we got. We got 6 movements to go. All right, so next one, go ahead and find the fulcrum of the mace here, and we're gonna do some hammer curls. So 30 seconds here. So what I'm doing here is I'm keeping my wrist straight. My wrist is straight and locked, so I have control of the mace the whole time. I'm coming up into this hammer position, getting a nice contraction, a nice squeeze here. So while I'm doing this as well, I'm keeping my core tight. I'm keeping some weight, more weight on my right leg, so I'm getting some balance in on here. All right, shake it out. Switch sides, hammer grip. All right, let's go. Another 30 seconds. Like, I don't know about you, but feeling, I got a good, like, damn, it'll take me 30 minutes to get this kind of workout, this kind of pump in the gym. Yeah, feels good. 10 more seconds. We're halfway through with the movements. All right, rest. Shake it out. Next move, we're gonna be doing some straight bar curls, okay? So go ahead and grab at the end of the handle here. Grab about so. We're gonna keep the mace straight. We're gonna keep it running parallel with the ground. Keep it level. Nice and smooth rhythm. It's not about speed, but it's about control. Moving it smooth and being in control of the mace here. All right, rest it out there. If you can feel too, because the weight is imbalanced, you're having to do some more like some internal rotation, some squeezing with the mace to hold it straight. So you can apply some tension like that. So it's almost like you're pulling the mace apart, or you're crushing the mace in, or twisting the mace, turning it in to keep everything straight. So you're getting way more engagement in the bicep and all the forearm muscles. Pretty effective tool here when used properly. All right, rest. All right, that was straight bar. So next move, we're gonna go straight bar again, but we're gonna do reverse grip. Okay, 3 seconds. Reverse grip it. Boom, coming up. Okay, so with your hands, make sure at your hands, you're following me along in this video. Make sure that you look just like me so you can mimic my posture, my position of the mace and my hands. Okay, so a lot of people, what's gonna happen is you're gonna wanna hold it here because you wanna bring that weight in, but make sure your hands are equal. They're not like this, they're like this while you're doing the curls. All right, 3 seconds here. All right, rest, switch sides. Ready. All right, let's go. Other side. Feeling the pump, feeling the burn. Feels good. All right, 10 seconds. Woo! Burn there. 2, 1, rest. All right. Last move, 2 more. So go ahead and put the weight on the inside, and we're gonna go back to that fulcrum grip, and we're gonna do some supinated curls, fulcrum curls here with the weight on the inside, okay? So here you're really working on that supination. You're really having to supinate to get your hands going. All right, 10 seconds. We'll go to the other side. All right, go. All right, guys, that's it. So go ahead, give your biceps a good pat. Probably got a nice pump. You feel, man, 8-minute steel mace workout. If you enjoyed this and would like more, go ahead and give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button. Give a thumbs up so you can stay on track with the newest workouts, steel mace workouts coming to you to keep you fit, strong, mobile, healthy, balanced, and just feeling good and moving good, because it's all about longevity. Peace.